Hi everybody, and welcome to this 3D tutorial where we're going to draw a hole in the paper. And this one I did in pink, and here you see one in blue. I did some force studies, and I will show you exactly how to draw this. I'm using a fineliner, and first you take a circle, and with that fineliner you draw in a circle on smooth drawing paper. Then you take a graphite pencil and you draw in two little helper lines, and this will help you to draw in the curved lines that we need for this 3D awesome effect. First draw in a banana shape, and then you put in the lines that are way in the back of your 3D drawing. I make them smooth and curved, and then I divide the lines like so. Then I place the lines in the front here, and also these I divide into two. What we also need to draw are curved lines for the inside of the hole. On top of the big circle, you draw in a circle of 8 centimeters, and then you draw in the curved lines for the inside of the hole. Try to divide them evenly, a little bit smaller towards the hole and a little bit broader on the top of the ring. It is very smart to first draw in the lines with a graphite pencil, because when you make a mistake you can still erase them. Once your lines are in place, you take the fineliner again, and then you go over the lines that you've drawn in. Here you see the last circle, which is perfectly round. And then you take your graphite pencil again, and you want to draw in those squares. Each and every, well, they have to jump around a bit. So this is also very important to do first with the graphite pencil, because if you go in with the marker straight away and you make a little mistake, then you cannot erase that. Then I simply take my marker and I go over the spaces that I've colored in with the graphite pencil. So each and every one I leave a white spot open and I color in the next. As you can see, the squares become smaller and smaller as you go into the hole, and the squares on the inside of the hole I go over an extra time to make them darker, and also on the front side of the ring. Then I take my graphite pencil again, and I also draw in a shadow here in front. You can use HB or 2B, and I also use the 2B graphite pencil for the inside of the hole. Then I take an 8B graphite pencil. I use that for the darkest shadow here on the front side of the ring. Then you can take a blender stick and then blur the graphite out. But of course, if you don't have one, you can also use your finger. I also apply an extra layer of 8B graphite for the inside of the hole. Then I take my ruler and I draw a straight line. Then the fun part starts. We start cutting out our drawing. Carefully go around the rounded hole and the straight line. Then take a dark surface and place your drawing upon it. Then look for your angle and take your pictures. This is what came out of mine, and I hope your drawing will be a big success. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again in my next tutorial.